she come back again.
Welcome back to the channel today. Yes, thank you to all the sweets that have joined to our very lovely family here. We welcome you to our sweets family. To my sweets that's been walking with me since the beginning, I love you guys and appreciate you guys so much as always. I love getting your comments and responding to your comments. It brings very much joy to my world. Okay, so just wanted to say thank you, thank you, thank you. If you are new and you just slid into this video to get some information, think about subscribing at the link below, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Now we gonna hop right into this video. Okay, we're here for that long awaited video about that B-Flex. Okay. All right, so sweets, we are back to talk about some more of these Maëlys products. And I gotta say, y'all know that I don't hold my tongue. It's like, it's not working, sis and bruh. I mean, for me, it's not. And here's why. Here's when I started blogging this, okay? And you guys know I like to wait a little while to see if it's been working or not. You know, most of their products that I have been using have been great. They've been working for me. And I started blogging this one and I started adding it to my daily routine. If you haven't not seen my daily routine, you might want to check out this video and or the first video that I did about the Maëlys products. Just if you want to get background, I'll also link them down below. So it's like the B tight, the B thick, the B flat, all of those are lovely products that I've been using for some time, and I've seen tremendous, okay, results from using those. So when they came out with the B Flex, it's like I got a little bitty, you know, I got the wrong type of shirt on today, but I'll be showing you guys videos and pictures over here of what I've been blogging. It's like, you know, I had a little bit of a little turkey. You can maybe see a little bit up under there. So I had a little bit of the little turkey arm, okay? But I was like, okay. I was like, well, let me try this and see if this works. And it was like I had so high hopes that it was going to work because their other products are awesome and great, but not so much. And I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna insert some videos and some clips and tell you why I'm kind of not feeling it, but y'all comment and let me know. All right, sweets, so here is my arm, and I started blogging this, like I said, on May 9th. This is the 14th. So this is what my arm is looking like. You see I got a little bit of strength, a little bit of muscle up there at the top, but I'm trying to get rid of that flab at the bottom. So it says that you're supposed to take it and apply it to the top of your arm, and then you're supposed to work it down to where the flabby part is. So that's what I am doing, and you're supposed to rub it in fully, not leave anything kind of left over. You want to make sure that you rub it in all the way. And I started doing this twice a day as it says on the bottle. So I just put this onto my regimen of everything else that I am putting on. So this is what it's looking like so far. See the muscle on the top, and you still see that flab on the bottom. Jiggle, jiggle. So this is May 16th, and I'm doing the same thing again. And as you can see, the top of my arm is looking a little bit slim, but I still have that flab at the bottom. And again, you're supposed to put it on the top of your arm, and then you're supposed to work it around and make sure that you rub it in fully. You don't want to leave none of that just sitting on your arm. And so again, that's what I'm doing here. And again, if you haven't watched my daily routine, I do this in the morning and at night along with the rest of my products. So again, you still see that jiggle, jiggle, jiggle at the bottom. Good muscle on the top, but jiggle, jiggle at the bottom. So now this is May 27th. I feel like the jiggle on the bottom has gotten droopier, if that makes sense. It doesn't look like it's doing like anything. I feel like it's making it look worse. Like my muscle on the top is looking good, but the bottom part still flabby as hell. Like, no. I kind of feel like a damn linebacker on the top with the muscle on there. I want muscle, but that's not the look I'm going for. As you can see, it's doing nothing for the flab. Let's talk. So, I mean, what do you guys think? I mean, for me, it's like, you know, I was kind of feeling like a fucking linebacker. I was like, I'm not trying to have good muscle up here. I can do that by working out. I'm like, it's supposed to be taking away this up under here, not making, I don't know, maybe it's in my head, but I was like, what the fuck? I'm like, I feel like a big ass football player. It's like I already got girth, okay? It's like I already have big old breasts. So it's like I'm already thick up here. I don't want to be thick in the arms too. For me, that's not sexy. That's not the look that I'm going for. If that's the look that you guys are going for, hey, more power to you. For me, hell no. That's not what I'm that's not what I'm trying to accomplish here, okay? It's like I'm just trying to get rid of that little wiggle jiggle down there, but I'm gonna have to find something else, okay? Because this ain't it. So it's like you guys in this B-Flex, it's like I got damn near half a bottle, and it's like I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do with this stuff, because it's like keep using it for what? It ain't it ain't doing nothing. It's like, I don't know. It's like, you know, I do know some other people that have like bigger bat wings than me. You know, I don't know. Maybe it'll make a difference if, you know, you have a little more girth up under there. I don't know. Maybe if you have a little bit more up under there, maybe it'll actually do something. But for me, it's not working, okay? It's like, you know, like I said, I'm here to be honest. It's like, you know, if it works, great. If it doesn't, doesn't. And for me, this is just not working right now. I don't know. I'm thinking about maybe trying to find somebody and maybe blog it on them and maybe come back with an updated video and see if it works on them. But so far for me, Sits and Bruh, it's a no. This is not a product that I would continue buying. Right now it's a no. But what is beautiful is this Be Foxy. Y'all really can't see how much I didn't use to this, but I literally maybe had this maybe 2.5, maybe less than 3 weeks. Okay, and I've been blogging this, and I'm gonna come with a video for you guys and show you my results. This, yes, okay, this I seen results immediately, maybe within the first couple days or so of using this, and I'm gonna have to go back and buy me another one of this. So like I said, I keep it 100, okay? This is not sponsored, okay? And I don't care if it was sponsored. I'm just being honest about the product, because that's why people come on here. I ain't coming over here to sell you some shit. I'm not getting nothing up out of this, okay? So it's like either your product works, and if you know it's not working, maybe you should go back and maybe redo your ingredients and something. I don't know, because everything else is working, but B-Flex ain't where it's at. Just no. Now also there's another company called Truly, and I'll just put like a little snapshot up here. Now I've been blogging this one as well, TikTok videos, how I got rid of my strawberry legs. I know you've seen that TikTok video and you're like, their packaging is cute. Does it work? Is it worth the coin? Do I want to be using multiple products? Yeah, that's why I'm here, Sis and Bruh, okay? I was like, okay, I'm like, I keep seeing this damn ad. I'm like, does this really works, okay? Because I'm trying to have my hot girl summer, okay? But the damn sun ain't coming out, so I don't know how much hot girl summer I'm going to have. Anywho, but I did buy the package for the legs that's supposed to get rid of the strawberry legs. I guess you'll just have to wait for the next video to see if that actually works and see if it's worth your coin. But for now, sweets, that is it. You can follow me on my Instagram handle here. As always, I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and comment below if you're still gonna know what other videos you want to see or other things that you want me to blog, and you know that as soon as I can get them ready for you, I will get them out to you. And as always, my sweets, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.